Number 22. In the figure shown, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So this little funny symbol there means congruent. And in everyday language, that means exactly the same. So what they're telling me is that the two triangles are exactly the same. Side lengths are given in inches. So I'm going to try something here. I'm not sure that this is going to work. I was going to try to rotate that, but I can't. So I won't confuse you by doing that. So what we need to figure out is the corresponding sides. And I'm going to look here at my right angle. And here it is in this one. So the two triangles are identical, but they're oriented differently. The one on the bottom is upside down and it's rotated. We need to be able to figure out the sides that correspond. So I can tell that B to C and A to C are the legs of the triangle because they're hooked to the right angle. So the same would be true here. They would have to hook on to the right angle. So those are the legs of the triangle. So I could tell that C and B, or let's say it this way, side BC, which is a line segment, matches up, and I'm going to use the word matches because it makes more sense than congruent, to EF. AC would match up to DF. We could tell that angle C and angle D are equal, angle F are equal, and they both equal 90 degrees if these are right triangles. So I can tell a little bit about the triangle by matching it up that way. The hypotenuse, which is the one opposite the right angle, those would be the two that match up. So we could say that AB matches DE. And once we figure all that out, we've got this problem. Because it's asking the value of X in inches. So I'm going to erase all of these colors so that I can draw in another one. Here is my X value. And AC corresponds to DF in this bottom picture. So DF is right here. So what that's telling me is that X minus 3 is equal to 12. This value and this value are equal because those sides that I've highlighted there are congruent. And then once you and I solve this equation, we will know the value of X. So we're going to leave X on this side and put numbers on this side. So the 3 needs to move. And that leaves us with an X having a value of 15. This is a geometry skill, and it is about congruence. And let me see if I can find that for you. Geometry and measurement. I do not see it. I tell you what, off camera, I will look in the index to see if I can find you a page or a chapter reference for this one. And I'll come back in the next video and show you that if I can find it.